Hi everyone, welcome to Mandarin 101. First of all, I want to congratulate you for choosing to learn Mandarin. You'll find that this is a beautiful language and it will surely be very useful for you in the future. My name is Sam and I'm your instructor for Mandarin 101. There are several things I want you to take a note of for this class. First of all, don't panic. Many people think Mandarin is difficult because there are 5 different tones and thousands of Chinese characters. But if you got to trust me, it's really not difficult. Just stick with me and you'll be speaking Mandarin in no time. Secondly, in this class, we'll focus mainly on useful, practical, contextualized Chinese that you can use immediately in the real world. Our class is more about practice and less about theory. You won't find me going into too many details about grammar in this course, but I will constantly emphasize practical phrases. Finally, you need to have an understanding of Mandarin Pinyin in order to take this course. All of the lessons in this course assume you understand the Pinyin rules already. So, if you haven't taken our Pinyin course yet, please do so first before proceeding with this course. Now I'm done with all the administrative stuff. Let's get into our first lesson. Today, we're going to learn about greetings and introductions in Chinese. The title of this lesson is 问好. That means greetings in Chinese. This is the first lesson and we call it 第一课. 第一 means the first, while 课 means lesson. So lesson 1 is 第一课 in Chinese. So the full title of today's lesson is 第一课问好. Today, we will learn how to greet other people and how to give some self-introductions. Let's start with the simplest greeting, hello. In Mandarin, we say 你好. These 2 words put together just means hello or hi. So use it the same way you would use hello or hi in English. We use it to say hello to strangers, friends, co-workers, acquaintances, basically with anyone. Try repeating after me. 你好你好你好 Good. Just to give you some background, the phrase 你好 is actually composed of 2 words. As you can see, there's 你, which means you, and 好, which means good. So literally it translates to you good. Obviously, we don't go around saying you good to people in English, so this is just to help you see that individual words have certain meanings in Chinese, but when put together, the entire phrase could take on a completely different meaning. So many times we can't simply look at the literal translation of Chinese phrase. It's similar to some English idioms. For example, you're driving me up the wall. Literally doesn't make any sense at all. But taken as a whole, the phrase just means you are really bugging me. The same idea goes for many Mandarin phrases as well. Here is a grammar point I want to mention regarding the phrase 你好. In the Pinyin lesson that you took, there's a special pronunciation rule for 2 consecutive third tones. When 2 third tones are spoken in succession, the first one takes on the second tone. This is to let a pronunciation flow more smoothly. As you can see, 你 and 好 are both third tone words. When we see them together, the first word 你 will change into the second tone, making it 你好. Try saying both words as third tones. 你好. It doesn't flow very smoothly, does it? Now read it according to the rule. 你好你好 Much smoother, right? Here's another example. In the case of seawater, which is 海水, it follows the same pronunciation rule. 海 means sea, and is a third tone word. 水 means water, and is also a third tone. When spoken together, 海 will change into the second tone to make 海水, 海水. However, please note that this is only a spoken rule. When writing out pinyin, you must keep both third tones. If you are having trouble grasping the concept, please go back to the pinyin lesson and review. Now it's time to practice what you've just learned. Please scroll to the bottom of the page and complete the practice problems before moving on. Once you've answered all the questions correctly, you will unlock the next part of the lesson. Good luck!